Some of the supplies you're going to need: your paper of choice, scissor, glue stick, ruler, and a pencil. So to begin, in order to make your star, what you have to do is you have to start off with your paper and you have to make a perfect square. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one corner and fold it up and ensure that this line meets perfectly at the top. Once you have that, you're going to go ahead and press down. To lock it in, you can take the edge of either your glue stick and roll it, or you can take your scissors, not the blade side, but the handle part, to press it down. Now what you're going to do is you're going to begin by cutting off this excess paper. Next step, open it up. Just like we did the explosion books, are going to begin to fold and fold and fold. So now you can see I have a crease here. Now you're going to fold up. Like I said, make sure that they're lined up good. If these are not lined up, then you're gonna have to start again, because when you go to fold, it doesn't fold correctly. And I'll show you why. So fold, open it up, make it into a square, fold it up again. This is literally the same exact steps we would follow if we were doing an explosion book. One thing I skipped was using the tool to really press down hard. So now I have my crease in the middle, here, and here. Now I need one long ways. I fold up. Okay, now your next step. We need to cut each of the corners because we're going to have to fold to make that star. So what you're gonna do is you're not going to take the corner pieces, the corner lines, you're going to take the straight lines, and that's what we're going to cut. With your ruler, you're going to measure from the center down 2 inches. 2. You can measure from the bottom up, which is kind of what I like to do. Only on the straight sides, not the corners, not these corner ones, but where it's the straight line. And measure 2 inches. There you go. So exactly where you have the straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, 2 inches. And then you're going to cut up to that line. See how it has a little crease? Next, you're going to begin to fold. You're going to fold inward. This is important to make sure that your folds are perfect. Fold in, meeting this middle line. Don't fold it so that it's not even. You want to make sure that it fits flush. It's almost like a paper airplane. So once you have all of these folded, before you actually get to connecting the pieces to make that star pop, you have to apply your designs. Now all these pieces are going to be folded in, so you're not going to see these. What you are going to see are these dips. See how you can see all the sides? You don't see the inside because this is what's going to be glued together. So what you're going to do is you're going to begin by actually, before you move on to the next step, which is connecting, you're going to flip your piece over and you're going to go in and you're going to draw all your designs. I want you to use the Sharpie, your gel pens, color pencils, something that is not so wet like a watercolor or paint. I would rather you apply those designs using, like I said, a Sharpie, gel pens, color pencils, and then you can begin to do the folding. Now, you're gonna glue. Only one side. Don't use the purple glue. Use this glue. Hold it there for a few minutes or a few seconds just to make sure that it's locked. And you're gonna do that for every one. Next, you're gonna glue your pieces together. When you glue both of them together, you're gonna use a hot glue gun. And they're actually going to overlap this way. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to put it in all of the corners and then sandwich them together.